Hi friends, welcome to my video. Where is Staphylococcus aureus commonly found? Staphylococcus aureus is commonly found in the nasopharynx, on normal skin and in the intestines. Staphylococcus aureus is an important pathogen of clinical significance, causing variety of diseases in humans. Staphylococcus aureus causes superficial skin infections to life-threatening diseases such as endocarditis, sepsis, respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, bloodstream infections, osteomyelitis, and toxin-mediated staphylococcal diseases, which include toxic shock syndrome, staphylococcal scalded skin syndrome, and staphylococcal food poisoning.